Hello, here's my recap video on my short on the Qs for Friday, December 12th, 2025. Before I get started, here's the previous video's chart. There's my short on DOS, on Tesla. That did not work. Okay, so here's a 15-minute chart with the opening range that I had mapped out at the open. There was a bit of a sell-off on Qs at the open. There was this zone of liquidity, which was the low of the previous day. We punched through that and then started coming back to it, and that's where I started looking into it. So that's where I'm actually zoomed into the 5-minute chart once the market opens. I don't usually trade the opening. I often wait for the first half hour to close. So after 10 a.m. is where things, where my setups usually work well. So this was at 10:20. We went through this zone of liquidity, but then came back here, and this was where I was thinking for the break and retest. It's broken down below. It is retesting, trying to come back into this area, but nobody's buying. So if we can't find any buyers, market maker needs to go find some buyers lower. So zoom in 1 minute and waiting to see, am I going to get a bearish candle printing below this zone? So let's go 1 or 2 candles here. So there's the bearish candle, and you can tell that I've already put my entry. So I don't forget, I am going to share this. Today is a little bit different because I took this on options and I did not have time to take my my low risk trade on the Qs. This was such a picture perfect break and retest that I absolutely wanted to share it. So there was my entry on options. I believe it was 150. 3R was actually before getting here. You can calculate that if that's 1R. This was like a 5R trade on options with higher risks than $10. But for our purposes of the challenge, we'll just say that this was a plus 3R trade. So there's the entry. Let's see, the stop was above the previous wicks here. And let's see what happened. As you can tell, it was a very quick, it only took like 5 or 10 minutes. So there you go, plus 3R. I stopped trading at this point because 1 win and 1 loss, according to my rules. I stay green and I walked away. I usually like walking away around 11 o'clock. Have a great weekend, everyone.